How to make a simple fraction from a decimal number with 3 digits. Let's take a number like 0.937, which according to a high school textbook solution key is supposed to translate to 15/16. But how was it done? So you rounded numbers so as to make of it a cleaner fraction, writing in the denominator 1 with as many zeros as there are digits. Now divide both the number in the numerator and the number in the denominator with the same chosen random number individually. It may take a few tries to find a good number to divide with. Like in this example where I divided 0.94 by 6 and 1.00 by 6. You get a new fraction, 0.156 divided by 0.166. Now multiply both sides of the fraction individually by 100 and you get 15.6 over 16.6. At this point, delete the numbers behind the decimal points. For example, 15.6 over 16.6 converts into 15/16. And you found the matching solution. Second method. We take the same number 0.937 and round it to 0.94. Now multiply the number by 100 and you get 94. Now make a fraction with 94 in the numerator and 100 in the denominator. Now divide both sides of the fraction individually by the same random number. Here the number 6 is chosen. As a result, you get 15.6 over 16.6. Now delete the numbers behind the decimal points and you got 15/16. Note, some sources suggest to multiply 0.937 by 1000 so as to get 937 and to make a fraction of it with 1000 in the denominator. This can work in this case too. You only need to divide both sides of the fraction with 60. Here you would get 15.1 over 16.6. Now delete the numbers behind the decimal points and you got 15/16. Thanks for watching.